Welcome to this Crashzone training video. In this session, we'll show you how to enable and use the registration lookup feature. Registration lookup makes it faster and easier to create accurate quotes by automatically filling in key vehicle details directly from the registration number. To get started, click on Crashzone Settings, then the Company tab. Enable registration lookup. Click Submit to save settings. To use the feature, open a job and go to the Details page. Enter the new registration number and click the Rego button. The Rego Lookup credit counter will appear in the pop-out box. Confirm the vehicle state is correct, then press Submit. Rego Lookup will automatically fill in the vehicle details, including date of manufacture, make, model, series, badge, paint color, body type, VIN number, and transmission. That's it. You now know how to enable and use the Rego Lookup feature in Crashzone, saving time and reducing errors. Rego Lookup helps keep your workflow smooth and accurate. For further help or credit purchases, contact our support team anytime. Rego Lookup is a third-party paid feature and requires credits. Credits can be purchased by contacting Crashzone support. Pricing for credits is set by the third-party provider and may change time to time. The data returned from a Rego Lookup is supplied directly by the provider and is outside of Crashzone's control. Thanks for watching.